Hi guys, Dorota International nail artist and educator here, and it's a time of the year when we are gonna be playing with some jumper nail art. Have we previewed it in here? It looks always awesome and effective on our clients' nails, and I hope you really like this tutorial, so let's start. Pretty easy and awesome design for the in between Christmas and autumn time. So that's a glitter suite we are gonna use, 188. It's a really delicate glitter, and I'm gonna apply it with the watercolor brush. So on this tip we want to go a triangle shape and just color it in. Give it a cure. On this one we are gonna go slightly different, and what you want to paint is like two triangles joined in together, and this one. And then we triangle on the top. Cure it. And this one I will leave it just plain. So I'm gonna use the color which is, no, not the glitter suite, the color which is called Morning Dew. I think it's a really nice color for this time of the year. And just applying a full layer of it. It has a tiny bit, almost like a shimmer through it. Looks absolutely metallic shimmer, I would say it. Really nice color on its own. And then on this tip we are gonna color the empty space. And then cure it as well. This one is a little bit more difficult, but it's still gonna play with the large brush from the bottle. But if you find it is too difficult, then you could just swap it to the D-liner brush to go around the glitter design, and then the rest paint it with the large one. So first of all, I have kind of went around it, and then I do smooth it out any kind of brush strokes. You don't want them to be too visible. I'm not too fussy how the background is looking like because we will be adding some further design in here. Okay, take away this color and put it on the mixing palette because we will need it. And then grab the top coat, so we are gonna go for a shiny one. Apply it on our first tip. Oh, go away. Had something stuck in there. Cure it. Do the same in here. Very easy designs, really, and you can do it on the ring finger. So like keep the set plain and then just add a choosing design on the 1 or 2 fingers. Top coat over this one. Just removing a wee hair or a fluff from the jumper. And then I'm gonna cure them actually really well because I have undercured this tip a little bit on the one side. So 60 seconds cure. And then grab our tip, D-liner brush, and we are gonna start painting the design. So let your brush fit with the product first. And then we are gonna paint a line in here. And another line in there. That's why I wasn't too fussy how I'm gonna do the stuff around the glitter, because now we are just making it nicer. Okay, another line. Join them in. Let's do some number 4s. Nice and slowly. Add some more number 4s, this time going to the side. Now I would say it's like a letter Z. Okay, and then add some lines through it. I think with those kind of looks you can just play it completely random, whichever you prefer it, and kind of construct your own design. So here I'm just adding a couple dots, and then using a sugar glitter we are gonna sprinkle it. And then give it a 60 seconds cure. I can grab another tip. And what you want to do it is paint a line in there, and then paint the line in here. Twisted it so it will follow the triangle we have created. And then paint another one. And another one. Fill that up with the lines. And on the other side, you want to join those lines. So if this line is going here, follow the shape. And then paint another lines here. Okay, one more, so follow this line. Straight at the angle. And follow the third line. Then straight at the angle. Using the dotting tool, add the dots on the empty space. This will actually work perfect to cover the side which didn't cure properly. So I love how we can fix the designs on the go. Sprinkle it, so secure your tip so you don't smudge it. And then give it a cook. Okay, the last one. So on the last one we will play slightly different again. It's just so you've got different ideas. I will do the number 4s going on the side. So we are gonna paint those number 4s. On the side. I just wanted to show you something slightly different, like not the traditional way of doing the jumper nails. And honestly, the number 4s is the easiest one to do it once you master them. Okay, so we've got number 4s. Then we can do the line. And line is such a great filler for this design. And another row of number 4s. A line. And then number 4s. I couldn't actually, on the beginning when I started doing those jumpers, I couldn't work it out. I was doing by lines, and it was so difficult. Once I figured it out, this looks like a number 4, it was so much easier. And then here we are gonna do the row of the dots. And a row of the dots again, so I will place the first ones at the angle as well, and then some other ones. Sprinkle it, and then I can show you the final look of those, I would say pretty easy, very popular by our clients, like they like it because it's not over the top and it's something which goes with everything. And I also think like this color is just a perfect choice for it as well. Of course you could do it in a different ones too. So my first tip is ready. I can just move away my sugar so I do not drop it on the floor. And then just remove the excess of the glitter to clean it, and you can see it. What a beautiful design we have created. Let's place it here. And this is okay, it will stay in, quite often, guys, I do find that you ask me, how this is gonna stay, if it's not gonna come off. It actually doesn't, sugar, because it's matte, got a sometimes tendency to get it a little bit dirty. But what you would do it is just use an acetone or get your clients to clean it with the nail polish remover. It works actually fantastic for cleaning it. And then another one. This one should be cooked slightly longer, but you can see it, a nice sparkly look which isn't on the top, a little bit of texture on those nails, and that's what we have created I will show you at different angles. That looks actually awesome. I hope you have guys really enjoyed this short tutorial. Sending you glittery hacks, and bye for now.